Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about SOUN stock and the key levels to watch October 17, 2025. In previous trading session, the stock formed a bullish spin bar candle. So the first key support level is $20.05. If the price goes below $20.05, it could test $17.28. So the key resistance level is $24.99. If the price breaks above $24.99, it could go higher. That's my view on SOUN stock today. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more update. This video is for education only, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Thanks for watching.